All right, here we are in Adobe Photoshop. I'm going to show you how to put some artwork on this billboard and warp the perspective so it matches. So I've got some artwork here that I mocked up. I'm going to just copy it. This is an Illustrator, but maybe you have yours from a designer or in Photoshop on its own layer. All we need it is on its own layer. So I'm going to paste this here. Now you see up here in my layers palette, I've got my layer. Hit OK. And now we're going to warp it. This is the fun part. We go up here, edit, perspective warp, and then you're going to get this tool here. You see it here. And I'm just going to draw the perspective that we already have. Very simple. You hit enter, and now it's going to let me move the perspective. So it knows what we've got now. We've got a straight on perspective, and I got this little pin that popped up after I hit enter. And you just pin this guy up here, down there. Looks a little funny, but this is one of those things that you just, if you don't know what to click on and how to start it off, it can be a nightmare. But see that? And then you can, I'm just going to hit command, not command period, command plus and zoom in. There we go. Like just, get it up there. You can see that this billboard is actually a little, not perfectly straight. So I'm just going to make it a little bigger, to kind of get rid of that gap. That looks okay for this mock-up purpose anyways. And then there we go down there, and then this just, that looks actually, no, it can go over a little. Yeah, there we go. Hit enter. Let's zoom out and see what we got. I like it. So that's the basics of the perspective tool. You can draw more of those boxes and bend it in half and everything, but for this sake, I want to keep this short and simple, and that's how you do it. Hopefully that helped. Let me know if it did in the comments. Hit like. Thanks.